Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create theme folders in Zoho WorkDrive. So first head over to workdrive.zoho.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Next in the left panel, click on theme folders and you can create a new theme folder just by clicking on the create theme folder button or just by simply clicking on the mini add icon or button beside theme folders. Now from here, add in details about your theme folder. Start by giving it a name and choose theme folder type if it's a public folder or a private folder. So as you can see, if you set it to public, anyone in the team can join and collaborate on files and folders. But if you set it to private, only the team folder members who have been added can collaborate on files and folders. You can also add in description, but this is optional. Then once done, head over and click on the create button. The next step is by adding members to your folder. Just type in their email address, then click on the drop-down menu to choose their role. Then once done, click on the add button to add this person. Then once done, you can head over and view your newly created theme folder. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!